Welcome to Trowbridge Repair Café, run by Trowbridge Environmental Community. Trowbridge Repair Café runs on a quarterly basis and we repair your broken items. We're run by volunteers who come and fix your items and hopefully teach you how to repair things for yourself. Trowbridge Repair Café started last year after a successful grant application to support the work. We run on a quarterly basis and we help people to repair items. We're also building up a great community of volunteers who come to be part of the cafe to help other people and to meet new people who are like-minded. And we have people come and help repair and come and help run the cafe as well, and then we like to have an additional item. So sometimes it's a seed swap or a plant swap or a toy swap, which kind of complements the activity as well. It's run by Trowbridge Environmental Community, which is an environmental group based in Trowbridge to do lots of different projects, and this is one of our many projects.
I've been involved with the environmental group for about 3 years, and we do litter picking. We have been in the river, cleaning the River Biss down at Trowbridge. We get involved in all sorts of environmental activities. We work with the town council to try and improve the area around the town, and we've got lots of volunteers. We have family members joining us. We have pretty much new people each time we go out. It's a great way to get people together and a great way to improve the town and how it looks.
So yeah, I really enjoy volunteering with the group, and this feels like something I'm quite interested in, so it feels like it was a really good opportunity to be part of it, and it's a really lovely group, and it also gives you an opportunity to meet other people in the town who are coming along, and also just share that message about reusing rather than binning.
We are always looking for more volunteers to run the cafe. We've got a great team at the moment. There's a wide variety of skills, so we welcome anybody who would like to help repair things or just wants to be part of the community. We have people who fix electronic things, we have people who fix IT things and ceramics and bikes, and we're trying to build as big a team as possible with a wide variety of skills as possible so that we can fix as many different things as possible. So we welcome anybody who is interested in doing that, and if you don't have repair skills, that's also fine. We welcome people to just be involved in the group and be involved in the organising and advertising, and also just to bring your items along to the cafe. So we really want as many people in the community as possible to be involved in the project.